Cameo lays off close to 90, including the CPO, CTO, and VP of marketing.
Why don't you get on Cameo and see how you do? I'd be so curious.
What should I say? Don't you want to have like your trademark thing that you say?
Hey, hey, hey.
No.
Previously on TWiT. Mac Break Weekly.
Apple's self-service repair is now available.
That equipment, though, Leo.
$216. I think
put a croissant in there.
We should just get one of these for the studio. It looks like you can make a cup of coffee. Yeah.
iOS Today.
Let's talk about webcams. We can make these better. There are ways.
There's two different apps that make using your iPhone as a web camera much easier. It allows you to take the great camera on the back of your device, even on an older iPhone, and use it as a web camera. Have you got a cat on your head, Micah?
Now there's a cat on my
Micah has
head.
an AI cat on his head. Okay.
Hands-on photography.
The one and only, 49ers photographer, amongst other things, Canon Explorer of Light, Mr. Terrell Lloyd.
Get it right in camera. If it's garbage in, it's garbage out.
That's right.
Inside the camera, do the least amount of post-production work on, if you have to, right?
TWiT. Tell your boss it's job related.